Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to host Laravel project on Hostinger. So in order to do this, first of all, purchase and set up hosting. So log into your Hostinger account, choose a hosting plan that supports PHP, that is shared cloud or VPS hosting, then set up your domain or use an existing one. Then prepare your Laravel project by ensuring that your Laravel project is working locally and run composer install to generate the /vendor folder. Then set up your .env file with correct database and environment configurations. Now upload Laravel files to Hostinger. So in the H panel, go to File Manager, upload all Laravel project files except the /vendor directory if you'll run composer after upload to the public HTML directory. Move all files and folders from Laravel's public directory into public HTML. Then move the other Laravel folders such as app, bootstrap, config, database, resources, routes, storage, vendor, etc. into the public HTML or keep in the root depending on your directory structure. Now, adjust paths in the index.php inside public HTML if needed. So, copy this and adjust it. It is going to look something like this. Also, you can change paths if the files or directories are not one level up. Now, set file and folder permissions. So, set the right permission, that is 755 or 775 for the storage and bootstrap cache folders using file manager or via SSH. Now, install dependencies. So if Hostinger has SSH access, open the terminal, navigate to the public HTML and run the text, that is composer install no dev optimizer autoholder. If not, generate the /vendor folder locally and upload it. Now, configure the environment file. Upload or edit the .env file with your hosting database, credentials and app URL. Then set up the database. In the H panel, create a new MySQL database and user. Use these credentials in your .env file. Import your database using phpMyAdmin located in H panel. After doing this, you can set up the .htaccess. Ensure a correct htaccess file in public HTML to handle routing, usually default in a new Laravel app. And you can access your website. Visit the domain. If all steps are followed and configurations are correct, your Laravel app will be online on Hostinger. Optionally, you can enable SSL. So activate free SSL certificate in your Hostinger's H panel for HTTPS. And your Laravel project is now hosted and live on Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.